Yeah, I can see
Yeah,
you.
okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much for joining us. I just sent
Thank
you an
you.
email.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know.
Awesome. So I just
Okay.
have a question about the exams that we have next week. Can you hear me well?
Exam, yeah. And but our instructor said we will have a meeting
Yeah, no, I
and
just
she will explain about the exam. No? What are you
um,
talking about?
Justina, is that how you say your name?
Yeah.
Justina, is that like that, or am I saying it
Um,
wrong?
yeah. You're right.
Justina.
Just
Okay,
Justina.
Justina. Um, do you know how many questions we have? If it's like multiple choices, and how many points for
The
each choice?
exam.
Yeah. Do you have this kind of answers for us for next week, or it's something that you don't know?
Um, Wait, send out answers for the exam? Is that what you're saying?
No, ma'am. I'm asking if you know how many questions are in the exam and how many points are each question. If it's like 1 point each, or that is question that has like it's worth more than 1 point. If there are multiple choices.
Mm-hmm. So, remember, there is about 40 questions. I would check for you, but my computer, my laptop is updating now. So, it's having some technical issues right here. So, if it completes its update before we end the meeting, I'll tell you then. If not, I will email you
Okay, so it's
of how
about
many
40
points each
questions, you
question
said?
was.
Okay,
Yeah,
40
40.
questions. Okay, and you know the time, is it time? Is it,
Um, I don't think there's a time limit as to how long it can take the
Yay.
test. Yeah.
So happy.
and
But
it's like the same questions from the quizzes, or will be like the same
They will
idea,
be
but
similar.
just put different numbers, right?
They will be similar to the questions on your quizzes, yes.
Uh-huh. And do you know if we'll be provided with a study guide?
Yeah, so I usually send out a study guide before each exam. And um sorry. Your teacher may do a test review. Like
mhm.
I heard that you guys are doing it using
Yeah,
a live chat thingy.
maybe
Uh-huh.
tonight and Thursday night she
Yeah.
will have a
So
meeting
yeah. So
and
those
she
will help
yeah.
you prepare.
Okay. Um, if I understand, the main thing to be successful in this class is to understand all the formulas, right? Where you use them. Um, so this study guide focus on the formulas that we'll be using, or it's very vague, like just study chapter one or study chapter two.
Yeah. So I would say understanding the principle of how you do things as well as knowing how to run the Excel. Those are two very important things I would say. Could you hear me?
Okay, good. Yes, thank you.
Oh, okay.
Do you have any other questions for her?
Me?
Yeah.
Me. Um, preparation and we needed to use the random.com. No, random.org. Have you ever used that?
Random.org.
Yeah. That
Um,
is preparation quiz. Question number 6.
So your preparation assignment number 6?
Yes.
Okay,
And so we have to use random.org, but I don't know how to use that.
is there like a link that you can download it or open it from?
Yeah,
Open
there is.
it. Yeah.
I think if she's,
Yeah, so
she's not
just
going to be able to see it if her computer is not working. She won't be able to answer that
Oh,
question.
yeah.
oh. I
I
thought
will
you
show
had.
you how my computer is right now.
Oh,
It's like
okay.
updating.
Okay.
Very
Okay.
frustrating.
Oh.
Sorry about that.
Oh, no problem.
It just like started updating itself in the morning because I've been procrastinating it. So it just
Oh.
like wouldn't wait for me anymore.
Okay. S- Okay. That's so
Yeah.
so this time this question's point is like distribution of sample means
Mm-hmm.
no I said like what's say Mm, the point is mute equal what to say
If you
English.
want, you can screen share it with me.
Yeah, you are Japan. I say Japanese. The summary, we studied some things, right?
Uh-huh.
But the important thing is like this one, you know.
Do you know how to do screen share on Google Hangout? There is there's 3
Uh,
dots on your upper right hand side. And then when you
I'm
click on it,
I'm using a cell phone.
oh, you're using cell phone? Never mind.
Yes.
Same here.
Sorry. Oh well.
Oh well.
So so do we need to wait for you to be ready or we should
Just go
move
ahead.
forward?
Today's quiz is actually pretty easy and straightforward, so I don't think I need the computer for it. You can just read the questions and I will just
Oh,
listen. And like,
easy for you.
oh,
Easy
no,
for you.
so I
I
went to
know,
another group
right?
at 7 o'clock this morning. They were like killing it, so I was
Uh,
like, "You guys will do this, no worries."
okay. Christina, let's start.
Okay, just give me a second to get to
Okay.
my internet is very slow as well, so I'm trying to get there. Just a moment, please.
Okay.
Lesson 6, right?
It's been like 0% this whole time. Oh, I'm just trying to.
Yeah. Group meeting quiz.
Okay, lesson 6.
Okay, number question 1, 2, question 2,
And 3.
true.
So we start on 3. When you are taking a sample size of n equal 5, what is the shape of distribution of the histogram when the third population is relative?
So
So,
my understanding is if parent population is right, is right.
correct.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
same shape, right?
Yes,
Is
that's
that
what I
correct?
understood.
Okay, so that is right. The top of is that correct,
Yeah.
teacher?
Unless
Teacher.
your sample size is, unless the n or your sample size is bigger than 30. Otherwise, it's just whatever shape the parent population is.
Oh, wait a minute. What did you say? You 30?
Unless your sample size is big, like more than 30.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will be whatever shape the parent population is.
Okay, if sample size is less than 30, what happened?
Then, like, let's say your parent population is RISC-V, your sample mean distribution will be RISC-V as well.
So it doesn't matter how population, yeah, what's it? Okay, under 30 or over 30, it's the same population.
So under 30,
right?
if you have RISC-V parent, then you'll have RISC-V sample mean. If you have left-skew parent, then you'll have left-skew sample mean. Can you go through the chapel?
Yeah.
Oh man, I wish I speak Japanese.
Yeah, still, for me, you said the sample size bigger, more close to parent population, right?
If sample
correct?
size is small, then it will be the shape of parent population.
Oh, sample size is small. Christina, you understand?
Yeah. But it's there on the reading assignment what she's saying.
Sample size is 5. It's less than 30. But the shape is still skewed right.
Yeah, how about, so a lot of this, a huge part of this quiz is actually this type of question. So we can move on, and then we can see if it makes sense to you.
Okay. Yeah. So question 4 is the same thing, and size is 100. So my understanding is skewed right, because sample size big or small, the shape is the normal parent
I think it's normal. I think for 4 in this case it's normal.
Normal?
That's what says actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what says on the text.
Oh, yeah. See, I'm confused now. Okay, normal.
Says on the video. Did you watch the video with that guy?
Yeah.
He talks about it.
Yeah. Is a sample size bigger? What's the distribution? What English. Standard deviation is small. If the sample size is bigger. No, wait a minute. Yeah,
So I think most of them is gonna be normal. I think that's the easy way to remember.
Yeah, but question 3 is skewed right?
Yeah, that's the only one that it will be right. The rest of it's gonna be normal.
Because size is less than 30? That's why? Okay, well, so question 4 is normal.
Yeah, it's normal. I don't know. I think it is. I might be wrong, but I think it is.
Thank
Jamie.
But
How are you?
teacher is a can I call it teacher?
You can call me Justina. But I'm typing it on the. Can you see the message right there?
But
I typed it.
it's gone. So I don't know.
It's gone? Oh.
Okay. So
Oh, okay.
Oh, you did. I just woke up.
could you email me later?
Yeah.
So okay, so how about number question 5? Sample size, either same question or different question. Okay, sample size is large, more than 3. Sample distribute. Ah, it's gone.
It's okay. I think you can view it
Oh,
later after the call is done.
okay. So what difference between number 3 and the number 5? It's the same question? Oh, no.
Could you-
Population
oh.
is normally distributed. The answer is normal.
Yeah, so
Christina.
there are two situations where the sample distribution would be normal. One is when the sample size is large, like more than 30. And then the other is when the parent population is normal.
Okay. Justina, for next week's exam, is there like another lesson included, or the exam is gonna be from lesson 2 to 6?
How about I get back to you on this through the email? Because I need to check on my laptop for that.
Okay.
But it's still at 0% updating right now.
Okay.
It's almost done updating?
She said not yet.
Okay. Do you think you can send the exam guide to me, to us today when you finish? Because I would like to start studying for it as soon as possible, because I have other exams coming up as well, so I don't want to be overlapping everything. So if you can send the study guide.
I'll try to send it out as soon as possible, but I actually haven't started on it yet, like at all. So I need to type it out, the whole thing. So hopefully I'll get it done today.
Okay. Okay, so well, okay. Question 4 is normal.
Normal. Yeah.
Okay, question 5 is normal. Normal?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, question 6 is normal.
Normal as well.
Okay.
So 7.
So I'm a little unclear, but so you don't have enough time, right? Christina. Okay.
Me?
Christina. Okay, question 7. Let's move. When would the distribution means be normal distributed? All correct.
Minus data are drawn from a population that is right-skilled and the sample size is small. So that one is not correct.
Not correct? Okay. Let me see. Data drawn population is right skewed, sample size large. Data drawn population right skewed. So I know that second one is correct, right? Data drawn from population.
The second one.
It's correct, but the question is choose or correct. Oh, okay. So this one is correct.
So there are 3 that are correct.
Cool. Okay. So only first one is incorrect, not correct. Right. So
The first,
data.
the second are correct. The third one is not correct. The last one is correct.
Okay. Second, third, fourth. Right. So 3 check marks. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, but I don't know why data drawn. Ah, data drawn from a preparation. Maybe I need to study again. Okay, question 8. Which platform is it? Central. So my answer is if the same size is sample size is large, the sample mean X bar will be close to the population mean mute. Which of the following the best explanation of central limit? Is that, what do you think? The parent
I
population?
think the second one.
So if the sample size
If
is
the
large,
sample
the
size
shape.
large.
How about fourth? If the sample size is large, the shape of the distribution of sample means will be. How about this one? Number 4. Fourth.
I think that one that I told you.
So third one.
If the sample size is large, the shape of the distribution of sample means will be approximately normal.
Oh, the last one is correct, you think? Okay. Is it correct? Oh, horrible. Oh, okay. So, information.
Okay, we can stay a little bit after that.
Oh, good. Okay, question number 9. What is the mean distribution sample size that is 10? Christina, 10?
Yes, correct.
Okay, how about question 10? What is the standard deviation of the distribution of the same mean? So we need to calculate this one? We need to use a formula or standard deviation is 6. So do we need to calculate like root 36? No, 6 divides root 36?
Are you on the standard deviation or sample mean?
Standard
Like mean of sample mean?
Question 10. Question 10. What is the standard deviation of the distribution of sample means?
Okay.
Do we need to calculate?
A little bit, yeah.
So my answer is 1. Because
yes, that's right.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the last one. See, question 11. Regardless of the distribution of the population, if the same size is large, you are talking about this, right? Bigger than 30 is okay. What would you the shape distribution sum? Is it normal? Normal.
One sec. I finally opened it.
Yay! Good for you.
Oh my goodness. So sorry, guys.
It's okay.
Yes,
how did you get the answer? How did you get number 1? What did you divide?
The normal. 11?
Yeah.
Number 10, how did you get answer number 1? What did you divide?
We calculate. I use the formula.
Which one?
You know,
the Z-score one?
Root n divide, no, what's that? Standard deviation divides root number? What's that?
Did you
Like an
divide
n.
Did you divide 36 by 10?
So the root
So
36 is 6. Because 6 by 6 equals 36. So 6 divides 6 equal 1. Is that correct?
yeah, so you divide the parent population standard deviation, which is 6, by the square root of sample size. So the square root of sample size 36 is 6. So if you divide 6 by 6, it equals 1.
Okay, so you start dividing 6 by 36, you said?
You divide 6 by the square root of 36.
Ah, okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay, now question last one. The theorem, or just for your response to the last question, is central limit theorem. Theorem. I can't pronounce it. That is
Central
answer.
limit theorem.
So, Kristen, are you clear everything? I'm not
Yes,
clear.
I think it's normal. So question 11, I think it's normal, the answer as well.
Tomorrow morning?
Normal.
Which one?
11?
So are you talking about question 11?
I mean, yes, that's where you are, right?
Yeah, I'm not clear, but I feel so. That's normal. And she said normal, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So me still unclear about the shape, like more than 30 or less than or smaller than 30 or larger than 30. I'm still complicated.
So 12, I think it's central limit theorem.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's it. So we're done. Yay.
Yay. So, but I
Right.
still need her help. So you can leave if you are clear.
Justina, do you have access? Do you have more access now to the exams to provide us with those answers that I asked at the beginning?
Yes. So if you want, I can look it up right now.
I appreciate
So you said
it.
how? Wait a second. So how many questions are on the exam? Right?
Yes, and which
40.
And how much each of them is worth, and what is the time, if there is a time.
Oh yeah.
Okay. 1 second. I'm opening it up right now. So this exam has 38 questions.
Okay.
Yay.
So it's different. You said this one means the others are different?
So there's usually about 40 questions in each one. This one has 38. And then the points is usually 1 point for each question, but some of them are half points, some of them are less than half point. But most of them are 1 point.
And the questions are all
time limit?
I don't see a time limit on here. I would double check with the teacher, but from what I remember when I was taking this class and the students that I tutored before, I don't think they had a time limit. Some of them take like a whole day to take this test.
Good.
So.
I need.
You can double check with the teacher though.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So the final is not comprehensive, is it?
Let me check that too. Final. I mean, so this course, you build on a lot of stuff that you're learning right now. So it's like you go from easy to like harder materials. So you will use some of the principles that you're learning right now, but you will do it for different things in the later units. I don't think the final is comprehensive, but you will be using a lot of things that you're learning right now
Okay.
to calculate like the final answer.
Yeah, that makes sense. And so the answers are multiple questions. I mean, multiple choices, or we actually have to calculate everything, or the answers will be there, and we need to show our work. You know, like we need to type in, or we just click on the answers, or we need to show our work there.
Sorry, I have to like look at everything. So give me a sec.
That's okay. I'm just asking because the exam is next week already, so I would like to be more prepared.
As far as I can see, most of them are multiple choice. I'm just checking to see if there are any like filled in the answer type of question. Yeah, there's some that you have to fill in the answer. It's like calculation, and then you fill it in.
As
We're using
usual,
the Excel
right?
to calculate for you. Yeah, it's very much like your quizzes that you're taking right now.
Okay.
So one of the way that I would recommend that you can review for the test is to go over like the quizzes that you've done before and see which question you got wrong and see if you can understand it now.
Yeah. And do you think when you do the study guide, you can emphasize which equations we need to focus on? Because there are several. So do you think you can emphasize which equations will?
Yeah, it will mostly be on the, like for this unit, it will probably be on like the sampling method and the theory, like the central limit theorem, the law of large number, and some of the formulas. That will be like basically how the study guide would look like.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Thank you for answering all the questions. And I don't have any more questions. Do you have any more questions for her?
I think she does. Is she still on here?
Yes, yes. I'm waiting for
Is that how you say Mitsue?
Mitsue. Yeah, you are correct. Everybody call me Mitsu. But yeah, Mitsue.
Oh, okay.
Anyway.
Do you have questions for her?
Right.
Yes, I have. So
yeah, but if you need to leave, you can leave first.
Okay.
Thank you, Christina. No, Christina?
No problem. I don't have. Yeah.
You have a
Go
time?
ahead.
Oh,
yes.
So my question or my understanding is wrong. So you are talking about, as you know, sample size question 3, right? Sample size is 5. And
number 3 is 5? Wait,
yeah,
what?
question 3.
Oh, right.
And the sample size is n equal 5.
Mm-hmm.
And the parent population is right skewed. Right?
Yeah.
Damn right skewed is like, okay. And the answer is right.
Yep.
Yes. So because what? Because the population, parent population shape and distribution of what's it? It's the same. No, the shape is same
Yeah.
as the population. Oh, no. Parent population.
Mm-hmm.
Am I correct?
Because it's less than 30. The N.
Oh, see, that's complicated.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, 30. Number 30 is here. Less than
Mm-hmm.
30. So what happened? What happened? Less than. Okay. Okay. Let me organize. Sample size here, and 30 is very key numbers.
Mm-hmm. It's like a
Okay,
borderline.
okay, and that means larger than 30 or smaller than 30. So 5 is of course smaller than 30.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So where did I? So video instructor said about that. So where can I read it?
You can find it in your
The
textbook.
really, really, I
Or I
read
just typed
many
it for you
Yeah, but
on this
on
Google
the
Hangout.
phone.
So you're on your phone, right?
Oh, okay.
So
Review
Oh.
the 6. Even if the parent population is not normal, the central limit theorem guarantees that the distribution. The last one, should I read this? So n is large
which
enough.
question is this?
No, I'm sorry. I'm reading the textbook.
Oh, you're reading a textbook. Okay.
Yeah. So should I read this to understand?
I actually just typed it for you. So if you're on your cell phone,
Yes.
do you see when you click on the screen, there is
Yes.
an arrow that shows up on the upper left-hand side.
Let me see. Oh, okay. Sample size
So
is
click on that arrow. Yeah.
Yes. Sample size is small, less than 30. Sample means distribution shape will be the shape of parent population. Okay, less than 30 is the same population as parent population. Is that correct?
Yeah. Same
Okay,
shape.
same shape. And sample size is larger than 30. Sample distribution will be normal. Oh, okay. Sample normal. Okay, so let me back to the quiz. So question size less than 30. That means is same of a parent. Okay, population. That is answer is right. And then next one is bigger 100. That is normal. Yes, I understand. But the question 5 is the normal the normal. Because question 5 and question 6 Oh, wait a minute. So what's this? Why this answer is normal? Question 5.
Which one?
Question 5.
Question 5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Some
So, what is the shape of parent population?
normal.
Normal. So, the sample size is small, right?
Yes, small.
Less than 30.
Uh-huh.
So, it will follow the
Ah,
shape of parent population.
yes, you're right. You're right. And
Yep.
the next one is 100 is more than 30. Yes. That means normal.
Yay!
I got it. I got it.
Yay!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye-bye, guys. I'm gonna go now.
Bye.
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 Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yep. Have a great day, guys.